So here's a couple more examples of balancing equations. Let's see. We have N2H2, and it creates NH3. So let's see. If you want, wait, this is gonna be a weird one. So let's see. We have two N's, two H's, one N, three H's. If we do this one times 2, then we get, let's say, times 2. So that means we have new table. So it's 2n on one side, 2n on this side. We have two h's here because we did this 2 here. Now we have 6 h's. Well, we can multiply this one by 3, and that gives us 6 h's. And 6 h's, check. So let's see, 3. Oh wait, sorry, wrong side. The hydrogen needs 3. Okay, so now we have 2n and 2n, 6h and 6h. Good. So that's it for that one. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. So we have K, 1K, 1C, 1Cl, and 3O. Let me put it down. Okay. On the other side, we have 1K, 1Cl, and 2 O's. So let's multiply this one by 2 and this one by 3. Let's see. 2. So that means we have 2 K's, 2 Cl's, 6 O's. And on the other side, we have 1 K, 1 Cl, and 6 O's. Now all we have to do is multiply these 2 by 2, and we get 2K, 2 Cl, 6 O's, and on the side we have 2K, 2 Cl, 6 O's. Check. That's all we had to do for that one. Because we did 2 and this one by 3. So there we go. Next problem. We have Na. We have 1 Cl, 1 A, 1 ACl, 2 F's. And on the other side we have 1 A, 1 F. Oh, I'm doing order. 2 Cl's and 1 F. Sorry. Okay. So let's see. If we multiply this one by 2, that means this one will be multiplied by 2 as well. So let's see what that does. So if we put a 2 here, that's 2 Na and 2 F, which then means we have to multiply this one by 2, which will give us 2 of these. Let's see, 2. So we have 2 Na, 2 Cl, 2 F. And on this side we have 2 Na, 2 Cl, and 2 F's. Check. That's all we need. Good. Let's see. One side we have 2 H and 2 O's. And on the other side we have 1 H. Sorry, 2 H's and 1 O. So we can multiply this one by 2, which means we're going to modify the whole thing. So now we have we have 4 H's. We have 4 H's. We have 2 O's. And on this side we have 2 H's, 2 O's. We can multiply this one by 2 to get the 4, which means 2H. Now we have 4 H's, 4H, and 2O, 2O. Check. That's all we need to do there. Okay, a little bit harder problems. PB, OH, 2. Okay, so that means we have 1 PB, and then this 2 is going to distribute to the H, is going to distribute to the O, so it's 2 O's, 2 H. And then if we continue, we have 1 more H, so that's 3 H's, and then 1 Cl. Then on the other side, we have 2 H, we have 1 O, we have 1 PB, and we have 2 Cls. So we can multiply this one by 2 to start, so that's 2, which gives us another H, so that's 4 H's. That's 2 Cl's now. 2 Cl's. And then now these two match. Now you have to get these to match. So let's multiply this one by 2 to get this 4. So now we have 4. Okay, we multiply this one by 2. So because we multiplied that by 2, we also changed the O. So now we have 2 O's. Now these match, these match, these match. Check. 2, 2. That's all we needed. Let's see if we get to do one more. So we have 1 AL, 3 BRs, 2 Ks, and I don't remember if you remember from the last video, but SO4, since it appears here and here, we can keep it at SO4. We have 1 SO4. On the other side, we have 1 K, 1 PR, 2 aluminums, and 3 SO4s. Holy hell. Okay. Let's go with the aluminums first. If we multiply this one by 2, that's going to give us 2 ALs and 6 BRs. So the aluminums match. We'll see if we get to keep those that way. Now let's change this by 6 here. So 6. That means, huh? The guy from Game Grumps?
That's what I'm watching right now.
Oh god.
I'm not watching the dudes anymore. I'm watching, they're playing RuneScape, which is like his old last game.